Hi, I'm Melissa, and today I am gonna cook stuff for my friends and family. Let's begin. What should I cook first? Oh yeah, I need drinks. Let's get some coins on the cabinet. I'll get these three. Okay. Got the coins. Now, let's start. Let's put each coin in for a drink. Did it give me one? Hey, that's cheating. I'm just giving you a coin for no reason. There. Got it back on track. Boop, boop. Oh, the coin stuck. But it still gave me one. Done. Should get all four drinks. Here are the drinks. You want to see them closer? Here are the drinks. Let's put them on the table and then we'll meet them later. Let's put them here for now. We'll meet them later. Okay, let's get some the fridge. Let's do some barbecue. Get out my barbecue stuff. Let's get out the barbecue. Let's do it. Boop, boop. Put them on. Before we turn on the fire, we'll need a flipper. Okay, let's begin. Let's start. Let me turn on the fire. Oh, and they need adult supervision to turn on the fire. Cooking up the fire. Cooking up the food. Cooking up the food. Cooking up the food. Cook up the food. Cooking up the food. Let's let it rest for now. And I'll put this here. We'll come back to it. And now let's start our dish. Let me bring these yummy beans. Get the pot. Pour them in. Oopsie. Okay, that's enough pots. Put them on the stove. Put the pots back in now. They just have to rest themselves. They don't need checking on. But these need checking on. Cooking up the food. 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 I think they're done. Let's put this back. And let's bring a plate over. We'll bring those. Put them here. And then put them on the table and we'll organize them later. And I'll put these on the ground because they have bottles. They're fine. But those ones can fall off and be dirty. Okay, let's take this back and get... Do we already have a plate? Yes, we do. Okay. Now, what's our second thing? Oh, yes. Are they done? They smell good, but they're not done. Let's start with our next delicious cook. Let's make some plates. We first have to warm them. We have to warm our yummy plates. Oh no, all the drinks fell off. Let's put the drinks back up. Let's first warm them up. Put the microwave, open the microwave, and we'll put them in for 5 minutes. Put them in. Let me get something from the freezer. Oh, it's cold. Oh, we have a lot of things. Oil, let's get them. Okay, we got some oil. We need oil for our next thing. Let me get some oil. Oil, get out. Thanks. Oil. I got the big bottle of oil. Here's the oil. We'll put it here for now. And I think they're ready. Let me take them out. Get them out. And now let's put them on the table. And these on the table. Actually, I have a better idea. Let's put all of these on this fluffy, clean mat. And then when they are done, all the foods are done, we can take them and put them there. Stay safe, little ones. Okay, what we should make next? What should we make next? What should we make? What should we make? Oh, yeah, burgers and a little bun bun. Oh, let's take this, and this. Good. Now, let's bring this pot in oil. Put the oil. Bzzz. Okay, the oil, we'll put it back in the freezer. For some reason, my mom puts it in the freezer. Okay, we'll put the goods in here. Okay, now let's cook them. Uh-oh. Oh, exactly what I needed fell down. Ah! I'll get another batch. Whatever. That's okay. Poop. This is crowded. It's so crowded. We're definitely not going shopping this week. It's definitely so crowded in here. Cooking up the burger, yummy burger. Cooking up the burger, meat burger. Cooking up the food, the sausage too. Making up the cake as well, food. Okay, I think that's good. We'll put this in the sink now. It's not that oily. Let's get plates. There. Let's keep going. There. Yummy goods. Now let's put some sweets into our line. Here's some yummy sweets. Let me get them. 1 sweetie, 2 sweetie, 3 sweetie, 4 sweetie. What should I do with them? Let's put they on the tray. Where's the tray? Oh, Mom had it. She's making something with it. I guess we'll then have to do it old way. Oh no, not ice cream. We don't want to put ice creams. There. Actually, they're warm. Let's keep them out. And we'll need a... This is so crowded. Here's a plate. Yummy, yummy, yummy plate. There. I think this will be our last dish. They all look delicious. Now let's set the table where we can eat. Why would we not make food if we weren't going to eat it? Okay, I think we won't finish all of it, but because I made a lot. But that's okay. That's okay. I'll clean it. This is so crowded here. I don't know why Mom puts everything so crowded. My mom's gonna eat soon, so let's set everything back up. She doesn't want to see I made a mess. Put 1 cup and 2 cup and 1 plate, 1 plate, 1 bowl, 1 plate. Okay, now chandelier. Now let me set the table. I know Ken's favorite is boy. And the other ones can have. So here's mine. Here's Ken's. Here's hers. And here is mine. Here's Ken's. Here's the mini dish. Sweethearts, can you come here? Yes, Mama. What do you want for food? Could I have please this? Yeah, sure, sweetheart. Let me put it on for you. I can give you some sweets just for an exception. Here's 2 sweets. Enjoy those because I know you love sweets. Okay, then Ken and me, she can have that. Oh no, we don't have enough food. Luckily, I have a secret compartment. We have lots of food there. Now, let's put the foods here. Then they will have a bread. She will have that. My syrup. And Ken's little plate. And his thing. Okay. Now, let's invite them. Okay. Can I sit down, Mama? Sweets. Oh no, I dropped some sweeties. Mama, what's wrong, sweetheart? Oh, that's okay. See, they only fell on the plate, so we can easily just get you new ones. I guess you're right. Here, let's put them here. See, now you have a clean one. Okay, now you can go sit down. Let me push in your chair so that doesn't instant happen again. Okay, you can start eating. Let me invite my mom. Mom, can you please come? Sure, sweetheart. What is it for? I would love to eat with you. That's what you were asking. Let me take a seat. And I will do this. There. There's a table seat just for the guests, for the oldest guest. Oh no, I guess we don't need it. I'll fix it after. Okay. Okay. Let me have a bowl. Okay. She's eating well. While Mama finds her seat, I'm gonna. My husband, Ken. Hi, Ken. Do you want to enjoy some food with me? Of course. Where's my seat? It's across my seat. Where's your seat? It's across your seat. Where's seat across from my seat. Where's it? This is so funny what we're doing. Okay, where's your seat? And then I know I have to go across. It's right here. Oh, that's so sweet. I'll sit right over here. We get the big lunches. Yep. Step. These look delicious, Melissa. Thanks. Push in the chair. Oh, am I joining? Here. Let me delish. Ooh, this my seat? Ooh, my favorite ice water. Where's my seat? It's right there. Next again. Can you scoot over, sis? Sure, you got my favorite bread. Okay. I think I put too much weights, but that's okay. At least are anybody hurt? No, not me. No, not me. No, not me, Mama. No, not me. No, no. Oh, the little table didn't fall down at least. Okay, we're good. Let's get back on track. And don't try to put that much weight. My hand's in her food. That's okay. Let's keep going. Eating. My hand is gonna be soup because I don't want to bother me. That! Okay, let's keep going. Mistakes have happened, but that's okay. Oh, and why my sister makes these videos to teach you mistakes help you learn. And see, everybody at the end of mistakes has a yummy meal or a yummy mistake. Okay, I think this standing thing is not a good idea. That's okay. I will stand everyone back up. There, everybody's fine. See? We can still enjoy our meal. Yep, I'm fine. Me too. I'm gonna sit down a bit. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you make mistakes in your life. Bye.